And one of the Centennial State's top lawyers is taking COVID-19 issues head on. Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser wants fellow Coloradans to understand the consumer risks related to COVID-19. He's also tackling the issue of evictions amid the pandemic. In a KREX5 exclusive, our Adrian Thomas spoke to the Attorney General more about these issues and what COVID-19 scams to look out for.
COVID-19 information and testing resources are an important part of life in the pandemic right now, but Colorado's Attorney General says some people are using this as an opportunity to scam others.
An opportunity to tell people that they've got a cure, an opportunity to tell people they'll get a refund check quicker, an opportunity to tell people that a loved one may be injured somehow and we need to send money to support them.
Weiser says his office has gotten hundreds of reports of COVID-19 scams, many of which were businesses providing false COVID-19 tests. In fact, this past May, Weiser's office sent cease and desist letters to 3 Front Range businesses which were marketing and giving COVID-19 tests that weren't government approved.
One that was very notable is an effort to tell people we've got this great testing, it's FDA approved, you can trust it. It wasn't FDA approved, it wasn't trustworthy. We had to do cease and desist letters come down on them.
Attorney General Weiser emphasizes these COVID-19 scams are not to be taken lightly, and the consequences could mean jeopardizing your physical and financial well-being.
At the worst end of the consequence, you can get a substance which actually harms you as opposed to cures you. Also, you can have your personal information taken from you and used to steal your identity. Identity theft is among the largest crime we face.
Weiser also says he and his team are looking into helping Coloradans at risk of getting evicted amid the pandemic. The federal moratorium on evictions expired at the end of July and has yet to be renewed.
So we are looking about what we can do, both in the state of Colorado and our office in particular, to protect people who are vulnerable. And so we want to work with landlords, with lenders, to provide that additional grace so we don't end up putting people on the street.
First on the Western Slope, Adrian Thomas, KREX 5 News.
Weiser suggests Coloradans should only speak to their primary health care providers or local health departments for questions about COVID tests or scheduling COVID-19 tests. Weiser adds, if you feel like you've been a victim of any scam, visit stopfraudcolorado.gov to report the incident to the Attorney General's office.